Okay, what am I going to eat? Okay, well, I have some leftover black beans. Oh, I have some chunky salsa. Here's some sharp cheddar cheese slices. An avocado. Okay. Some hot giardiniera. And I have a mango on the counter, so I'll make some black bean nachos with a giardiniera mango avocado salsa. Sounds good to me. Let's get this show on the road. Okay, let's give these a try. My last minute meal with just everything, just what I had in the refrigerator. So here. Mmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. So good. I have the hot giardiniera, and then I have the sweetness from the mango, and then the avocado, along with the melted cheese and the salsa. Then the black beans, and the beans take the place of the meat. You're still getting your protein and everything that you need. Very good, very healthy. I'm always quoting 3 John 1 and 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou shalt prosper and be in health, even as your very soul prospers. That's what God wants for us. He wants us to be in health. But we have to do our part as well. So, please, if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so. I affectionately call it Eating Thin with Gwen. So I want to thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And remember, make healthy choices whenever you can. All right? Here's to healthy eating. God bless.